we have learnt that determiners are words which help us to identify or specify a noun in some way. They are called so because they determine or restrict the noun. They are placed right before the noun or before the adjective if any. So in the sentence, my little brother is sick, my is the determiner which is specifying the noun brother and which has been placed before the adjective little. Now let us read this sentence. A ripe orange is required for making this cake. Let us identify the determiners in this sentence. So this sentence has a and this as the determiners. A is specifying the noun orange and this is specifying the noun cake. Now you will see that a has been placed before the adjective ripe. So we see that with every noun we have used one determiner. So we can say that usually only one determiner is used with a noun. But what about this sentence? All the girls in the team are very talented. Now in this sentence, you see we have used all, the two determiners which are specifying the same noun, girls. So we can say that more than one determiner can be used with a single noun. Now when we have multiple determiners with a single noun, how do we arrange them in a sentence? Let us see. So multiple determiners specifying a noun are arranged in a specific order. What is the order? We first put the quantifier, then the article, then the demonstrative, then the possessive and then the numeric. So if we have a sentence as both my parents have gone to Delhi for a wedding. So in this sentence we have both my, two determiners specifying the same noun parents. We have another determiner here a which is specifying the noun wedding. So this is okay. One determiner is specifying one noun. What about this case? We have two determiners specifying the same noun. Let us see how it has been arranged. So first we have written both, which is a quantifier. We have followed it with my, which is a possessive. So we have both my parents. Can I say my both parents have gone to Delhi for a wedding? No, that would be incorrect. They sold their old car. Do you think this sentence is correct? No, this sentence is not a correct sentence. Now we could either say they sold their old car or we can say they sold the old car. So what do we see? We see that two identifying determiners like the and their cannot be used together with a noun. What about this sentence? Some many people visited their stall in the fair. Is it making any sense? No, this sentence is not grammatically correct. We can either say some people visited their stall in the fair or many people visited their stall in the fair. We cannot use some, many together with the same noun in a sentence. So we can say that two quantifying determiners cannot be used together with a noun. So let us do this exercise now. Choose the correct sentence. Both the elder sisters are very strict. The both elder sisters are very strict. Let us take the second sentence first. When I say the both elder sisters are very strict, we see that we have placed the article before the quantifier. But we know for the sentence to be correct, we have to first place the quantifier and then the article. Hence, this statement is not correct. But when I say both the elder sisters are very strict, we have placed the quantifier first, followed by the article second. So this placement is correct. So this sentence, both the elder sisters are very strict, is the correct sentence. So what did we learn today? Today we have learned about the placement of determiners in a sentence. I hope that you practice as much as you can and you will soon master them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com or download the DeltaStep app to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStation, iPad, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So learning at DeltaStep is not just fun and easy, it is also rewarding. So register for free now.